Hello learners, welcome back to my channel Shraddha's Physics. In this part we will see the Lorentz transformation equation. So in the previous lecture we have already discussed about the Galilean transformation equation and the consequences of that Galilean transformation, that is the length will remain invariant under the Galilean transformation. That is, we have considered the inertial frame of reference, and another frame of reference is moving with that inertial frame with the constant velocity v, so that the both will behave like the inertial frame of reference. And if an event occurs at a point, then for that event, if an observer is present at the S frame as well as in the S prime frame, so for the respective observer S and S prime frame, the distance for that event will be different, so that the relation we have established, that is x prime equal to x minus vt, we have calculated x prime equal to x minus vt, y prime equal to y, and z prime equal to z, and in that case the time remains invariant, that is t prime equal to t. So this is known as your Galilean transformation equation, and in this case, in the Galilean transformation, there will be no changes in the length, that is the length will remain invariant if you will observe in the S frame and also in the S prime frame. So in the both case you will see the length of the rod or any object, it will remain the same. Okay. So that is the consequences of the Galilean transformation. Now we will see the Lorentz transformation equation. So we first of all देखिबा कोन ना Lorentz transformation ने similarly we will consider the same frame of the two frame of reference, that is S and S prime frame. So they initially they will coincide at t equal to t prime, that is equal to 0. So initially at time t equal to 0, the both frame of reference they will coincide at a point O. If I will consider the origin, तांको दीटांगर origin, they will coincide, and after some time, if the S prime frame will move with a constant velocity v, then dita का frame of reference रो position, if it will move along the x-axis direction ने जदि से move करूची, then a point P जदि हमें consider करिवा, with respect to S frame, its coordinate will be x, y, z and t, and with respect to the S prime frame, the coordinates are x prime, y prime, z prime and t. Okay, this is t prime. Okay, this is your t prime. जदि हमें S prime frame रे देखुछन, एठी हमरो टाइम टा इनवेरिएंट रहबो ना, टाइम will changes in the S prime frame रे t becomes your t prime. So now the Lorentz transformation equation, it is a mathematical method of relating the quantities between inertial reference frame while utilizing the special theory of relativity. So एठी हमें consider करबा कोन कि light velocity is constant in all inertial frame of reference. Light velocity टा constant, and inertial means जेती सब laws of physics they will be valid in this frame of reference. Okay, so now let us consider the two inertial frames, that is S and S prime, with the origin O and O prime respectively. Now the two observers O and O prime, let me write, this is your O prime, they observe any event P from the system S and S prime respectively. So at initially, that is when the time t equal to t prime, that is equal to 0, the both the coordinates of the two frames S and S prime frame coincide. तामाने x और S prime frame ना जति सब t equal to 0 initially, तांको समस्तंकर coordinate they will coincide, and after some time when it will move with a constant velocity v, that is माने relative to S prime respect to जति S prime frame v velocity रे जाउची along the direction of the x axis. Now we will consider that this event P is determined by the coordinate x, y, z, t, and S prime frame ro x prime, y prime, z prime and t prime. Okay. So Lorentz considered that the measurement in the x direction of the S frame, it should be proportional to that made in the S prime frame. तो Lorentz consider कले कौन ना हमें जो Galilean transformation equation देखो दिले, हमें कौन देख ले ना S prime equal to S minus vt, previous video रे कोई देजी कौन ना ये जो triangle टा अछि, from this triangle we can write this S prime will be equal to S minus vt, और हमें जदि simply लिखिबा, that is your x prime will be equal to S minus vt. किंतु Lorentz कहउछन कोन, this is not exactly x prime equal to S minus vt, actually this is proportional to S minus vt. So that in place of proportionality symbol I will write x prime, that is equal to gamma times x minus vt. So this gamma is a proportionality constant. Okay, so this is your Lorentz कहले कोन. So according to Lorentz, x prime will be proportional to S minus vt, so that we can write x prime will be equal to gamma into S minus vt. And if I will consider the S prime frame, That is, here you can see, according to the special theory of relativity postulate, the laws of physics, it should have the same form in both s and s prime prime. The equation for x in terms of x prime and t prime will be of the same form in the equation 1, but v will be replaced by minus v. तो सी आम जो कौन कर आम कनसीडर कर कि v टाक आम माने आम कहते कौन दीटा फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरेंस अच्छी, तो जदि गोटे फ्रेमटा दीटा फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरेंस अच्छी, तो जदि गोटे फ्रेम को आम कनसीडर करवा, दिस वन इज फिक्स्ड, दैट इज रेस्ट अच्छी ए फ्रेम, जदि अनदर फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरेंस इट इज मूविंग विथ द वेलोसिटी v, एमती आम कनसीडर कर, अदरवाइज दिस फ्रेम कैन बी कनसीडर टू बी रेस्ट, और आम जो देखिए यहाँ आमर नेगेटिव v रे जाइए भी कनसीडर करें, लॉज ऑफ फिजिक्स भी सेम होल्ड करियो बिकॉज द इनर्शियल फ्रेम. So here simply we have to replace v by minus v, and this x now becomes equal to gamma into s prime plus vt prime. जेमती आम Galilean inverse रे करते, this is actually the Galilean inverse, but एठी आम proportionality symbol use करछन because Lorentz is exactly not माने equal तो हबनी, some proportionality constant gamma रहिबो. And since the motion is आम जेहेतु कंसीडर कर एक्स आउ वाई एक्सिस, एक्स एक्सिस मोशन होची, सो आमर वाई आउ जेड एक्सिस रे कौन से चेंज हेनी, y will be y prime and z will be equal to z prime. किंतु आम कंसीडर कर ना t is not equal to t prime. Okay, according to Lorentz the time will not remain same in both the frame of reference. यदि दीटा को frame of reference are different, then the time will be definitely different हवा दरकार. Now एबे आम कौन करबा, डेरिवेशन टा मु निजे सॉल्व कर दोछि जानि हबो. तो आम कौन लिखिले ना इनवर्स ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन यदि पुट करबा, सो x will be equal to gamma into x prime plus v t prime. आम एमती लिखुं ना, आम जानूँ कौन ना x prime will be equal to gamma into s minus vt. Now if I substitute this value here, then this will be equal to gamma into, this will be gamma into x minus vt plus vt prime. आम एमती लिख पारे. Okay, now if I multiply this gamma inside, that will be equal to gamma square into x minus vt plus gamma into vt prime. We can write like this, or simply we can write इथे हमारे कौन x अच्छी ना, x equal to this much, so we can write gamma into vt prime, that will be equal to, आम एपटू लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को धर सपोज नहीं आसछंदी x, this will be x minus gamma square into x minus vt. Okay, now you can see आमर ये दीटा x टर्म अच्छे, so I can take common directly, so this will be x taking common 1 minus gamma square, and this minus minus becomes plus gamma square into vt, or this can be written as t prime will be equal to, आम यदि gamma v को थ्रू आउट रे डिवाइड कर देबा, then this will be x into 1 minus gamma square divided by gamma into v plus, this will be gamma v cancel, so this is gamma into t. So this is our expression for the t prime. Let us give this equation number 4. Then आमर ये आगुर आम कनसीडर जो कर, this is our equation 3. So finally आम t prime equal to this much by the equation number 4. Now according to the postulate of special theory of relativity, second postulate कौन कौन कि light velocity रे कौन constant रहिबो, that is emitted from the common origin s and s prime at t equal to t prime, that is equal to 0. It travels with the speed c, and after some time the position of the signal. तो एबे जदि आम डिस्टेंस टा कैलकुलेट कर आम कौन वेलोसिटी इक्वल टू डिस्प्लेसमेंट बाय टाइम, तो सिमिलरली डिस्प्लेसमेंट दैट इज x इक्वल टू सी टी लिख पारे, एंड जदि x प्राइम फ्रेम रे ऑब्जर्व कर दैट इज यू c इंटू टी प्राइम. जदि एबे आम कहूँ कि आमर गोटे इवेंट, दैट इज आमर इवेंट अकर माने टॉर्च लाइट ऑन करवा कि एनीथिंग दैट इज योर इवेंट, तो ये आम कहते कौन कि गोटे आमर लाइटा आसला, तो से लाइटा को आम जदि कनसीडर कर सी तार स्पीड, then आम जदि s फ्रेम रे ऑब्जर्व कर, then x will be equal to ct, and जदि s प्राइम फ्रेम रे अच्छे, then x prime will be equal to c into t prime, because the speed of the light is constant according to the postulate of special theory of relativity. Now मैं जदि solve करी, so I can write x prime equal to c into t prime, or if I will write x prime रो value केते अछि ना gamma into x minus vt, and that is equal to c into, in place of t prime I will write this equation number 4, that is x into 1 minus gamma prime whole divided by gamma into v plus gamma into t. आमे कौन कले सब्स्टिट्यूट कले t prime रो value, और this can be written as gamma into x minus gamma into vt, that is equal to c x into 1 minus gamma square divided by gamma into v plus c gamma t. Now from this expression if I will take x term, एबे हमें कौन करवा ना x term जहाँ अच्छी ताकू गोटे साइड को and t term जहाँ भी अच्छी ताकू गोटे साइड को नहीं जाए. So now taking common x, this will be gamma minus ए term टा हमारे left hand side को नहीं जाने minus c into 1 minus gamma square, इटा हमारा gamma, okay, gamma square divided by gamma into v, okay, and that is equal to एठी हमर को गामा टी अछि, सो गामा टी टेकिंग कॉमन आई कैन राइट दिस विल बी c प्लस v, हम एमते लिख परिया. नाउ दिस इज इक्वल टू अगेन, और x इज इक्वल टू गामा t होल इनटू c प्लस v डिवाइडेड बाय दिस टोटल टर्म, दैट इज एठी भी हमर जदी मो गामा कॉमन नहीं के लिखबी ए टर्म, जदी मो गामा कॉमन नहीं जीबी देन एठी कोन गोटे गामा मल्टीप्लाई कर देबी. So now this can be written as, taking gamma common, this is 1 minus c into 1 minus gamma square divided by gamma square into v. This is our expression. Again gamma get cancelled, or this can be written as, since we have considered x equal to ct, I am consider करछु कोन x रो value होची ct, so in place of x I can write ct, or we can write x जगह में ct, that is equal to, एबे हमें ऊपर टर्म रे गोटे c कॉमन नहीं जिबा, सो दिस विल बी ct, एडी t थिला ऑलरेडी एंड हमें कोन करछ ना ओनली c कॉमन नहीं छने, सो दिस विल बी 1 प्लस v by c, then whole divided by, this is your 1 minus c by v, I can write like this, c by v into 1 minus gamma square divided by gamma square. ठीक है, टर्म टाक मुझे सजे केमती लिख पारि. और नाउ आई कैन राइट ऑल्सो आमर बोथ साइड रे ct अच्छी, सो दिस ct गेट कैंसल, तो ct कैंसल हो गले 1 रहा, सो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज और 1 माइनस c बाय v होल इनटू 1 एठी आमर कोन 1 बाय गामा स्क्वायर माइनस 1, ठीक अछि, 1 बाय गामा स्क्वायर माइनस गामा स्क्वायर बाय गामा स्क्वायर मीन्स 1, सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 plus v by c, this is 1 plus v by c. Now if I'll solve it further, or this can be written as 1 minus c by v into 1 by gamma square, minus minus becomes plus c by v, and that is equal to 1 plus v by c. हमारा 1 cancel हो गया again, or this can be written as c by v into 1 by gamma square, मुझे टर्म टा को राइट हैंड साइड को नहीं गली, सो इटा प्लस हो गला, दैट इज इक्वल टू c by v minus, sorry let me write correctly, this is your c by v minus v by c. Now if I'll take common c by v, then this will be 1 minus v square by c square. You can see this c by v and here also c by v, they will get cancelled, so I can write 1 by gamma square equal to 1 minus v square by c square. We can write 1 by gamma square, that is equal to 1 minus v square divided by c square, or simply we can write gamma square will be equal to 1 by 1 minus v square by c square, or simply we can write gamma will be equal to root over of 1 by root over of 1 minus v square by c square. So this is the expression for the gamma. Or if I will write beta will be equal to v by c, so in place of v by c also I can write this is gamma equal to 1 by 1 minus beta square root over. This is the expression for the gamma. That is the proportionality constant we have calculated. Gamma equal to 1 by 1 minus beta square root over. So now if I will put the proportionality constant value in the expression, that is Lorentz says that x prime is proportional to the x minus bt. So now we can write x prime equal to gamma into s minus bt. This is your Lorentz transformation equation. And now in place of gamma, if I will write the value of 1 by 1 minus b square by c square, that is the gamma. So this expression now modified to x prime equal to x minus vt divided by 1 minus b square by c square root over. Okay. And now I can write y prime equal to y. Y prime equal to y and z prime equal to z. आमे जेहेतु जानिछु कोन ना x axis along रे मोशन होचे, so there is no motion along the y and z axis, so only x axis रे changes हेले. Now you can see आमे एठी जो t prime टा कैलकुलेट करथिले, एठी t prime रो वैल्यू टा एतिक अछि, t prime equal to this much. Now we can substitute the value of gamma. So मु ए इक्वेशन टा फर्स्ट सेट लिखि दउछु. We can write t prime equal to gamma t plus x into 1 minus gamma square divided by gamma into v. This is our expression for the t prime, sorry, this is your expression for the t prime. Now आमे एबे कोन करे टिके जदी सॉल्व करे टेकिंग कॉमन गामा, मु फर्स्ट गामा को कॉमन नै जाउची. सो दिस विल बी t रहिला एटी प्लस x by v into 1 minus gamma square divided by gamma square. Gamma आमे कॉमन नै जाइछोंदी, so gamma taking common we will get this, or this can be written as gamma into, this is gamma into t plus x by v into 1 by gamma square minus 1. This is your 1 by gamma square minus 1. And now we can substitute the value of 1 by gamma square. तो आमे एठी मु कोन लिखुची ना, दिस इज योर t plus x by v. Again 1 by gamma square is, you know, 1 by gamma square equal to 1 minus b square by c square. So if I'll substitute that 1 minus b square by c square, and here it is minus 1 and divided by, because gamma is 1 by 1 minus b square by c square root over, so I will write 1 minus b square by c square root over. Here we have substituted the value of gamma. You will write we have substituted the value of gamma here. Now this 1 with this minus 1 get cancelled. So finally we can write this is equal to this, that is your t prime we are calculating, the value of t prime. This is equal to, so this is t minus bv get cancelled, that is xv by c square whole divided by 1 minus b square by c square whole root over. So this is the expression for the t prime. So now finally we can write the whole Lorentz transformation equation, that is finally we can write the Lorentz transformation equation as x prime equal to x minus bt divided by 1 minus b square by c square root over, because x prime equal to gamma into s minus bt, and y prime equal to y, z prime equal to z, and here we have calculated t prime value equal to t minus vx by c square whole divided by 1 minus b square by c square root over. This is the Lorentz transformation equation. And similarly, if you will change this b to minus b, so you can now write the Lorentz inverse transformation equation, that is x will be equal to, that is if you will observe the position of that event in the s frame, then for that event then we will find x will be equal to x prime plus the v t prime divided by root over of 1 minus b square by c square. Because if you will put, आमे जदि v जगह minus v put करें, then minus v रो square is also, that is your v square. Your y will be equal to y prime, z equal to z prime, and t will be equal to t prime, and v becomes minus v, so that will be plus vx by c square divided by root over of 1 minus b square by c square. Okay, so this is known as the Lorentz inverse transformation equation. this all equation, that is this all four coordinates, they represent Lorentz inverse transformation equation, and this one represent Lorentz transformation equation. So now what is the conclusion of this Lorentz transformation equation? That is, nothing can move with a velocity greater than the velocity of light, that is v is very very less than c. एटा आमे कौन पे कहउछनी ना, आमे जेतले गामा कैलकुलेट करले गामा रो वैल्यू केते भाला, गामा इक्वल टू 1 बाय रूट ओवर ऑफ 1 माइनस v स्क्वायर बाय c स्क्वायर. जदि हमर कोन आमे कहउछनी कोन, इट इज ऑलवेज राइट दैट वी हैव टू राइट v शुड बी वेरी वेरी लेस देन c. तो वेलोसिटी ऑफ द लाइट रो वेलोसिटी टू अधिक स्पीड रे को भी पार्टिकल जाई परिबेनी. जदि जाई परथाना देन आमे कोन होइता ना, जदि मु कहथन इफ c is very very less than that of v, then v should be आमर एमिति किछि पार्टिकल अछि जे कि लाइट वेलोसिटी टू भी अधिक वेलोसिटी रे जाई परिबो. देन आमे ए जो कंडीशन टा पाइछनी गामा इक्वल टू दिस मच. जदि एबे आमे कोन कहछनी ए वैल्यूटा मु धर सब्स्टिट्यूट करछि, देन एठी हमर कोन हिता ना, जदि 1 माइनस दिस मच टर्म जदि आमे माइनस करथान, जेतु v स्क्वायर बाय c स्क्वायर, मु एठी जदि देखिबि c is very less than c, then I can write c by v will be very less than 1. तो तामाने मु एठी जदि कैलकुलेट करूची, then c by v is very less than 1 means v by c will be larger than that of your 1. तो मु 1 माइनस समथिंग ग्रेटर देन 1 जदि नंबर को माइनस करबी, तो मते एठी कोन करिवो ना, गोटे नेगेटिव नंबर बाहरिवो. तो ये नेगेटिव नंबर जदि मु रूट ओवर बाहर करी, दैट विल गिव ए इमेजिनरी नंबर. सो तामाने आमे भी कंसीडर करबा कोन ना, एमिति कोनसे भी पार्टिकल नै जोटा कि लाइट वेलोसिटी रो अधिक स्पीड रे जाई परिवो. ओके, so that is the conclusion of the Lorentz transformation equation. So now the second one is the Lorentz transformation equation. It will reduce us to the Galilean transformation equation when the velocity v of the S prime frame is small in comparison to the velocity of light. Now if I will consider कि ये जो velocity टा अच्छी हमारा बहुत small अच्छी as compared to the c, then I can write v by c is very less than 1, or we can write this v square by c square is very less than 1. तो ये जो टर्म टा हमें लिखिले, तो देन आमे भी जो लिखुले x प्राइम, लेट मी राइट, आमे कौन लिखिले x प्राइम इक्वल टू गामा इंटू s माइनस bt और x माइनस bt डिवाइडेड बाय 1 माइनस v स्क्वायर बाय c स्क्वायर रूट ओवर. इफ आई विल कंसीडर v इज very लेस देन c, और आई विल राइट v स्क्वायर बाय c स्क्वायर इज very लेस देन 1. तो तामाने आमे एमिता गोटे टर्म कंसीडर करछन, दैट इज v स्क्वायर बाय c स्क्वायर, जोटा कि 1 रु बहुत सान. तो जेहेतु इट इज very लेस देन 1, सो जदि 1 रु हमें से टर्म टा सब्ट्रैक्ट करियो, सो दैट कैन बी, जदि हमें 1 रु पॉइंट समथिंग 0.0001 ए भले कि 0.00 बहुत ही स्मॉल नंबर माइनस करियो, देन 1 रे कोनसी चेंजेस होबन. सो रूट ओवर 1 इज योर 1. और सिंपली वी कैन राइट नाउ दिस इक्वेशन रिड्यूसेस टू द x प्राइम इक्वल टू s माइनस bt. एंड हमर t प्राइम जो थिले, हमर t प्राइम टा केते आस्तिले ना, t प्राइम इक्वल टू t माइनस vx बाय c स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय रूट ओवर ऑफ 1 माइनस v स्क्वायर बाय c स्क्वायर. ए टर्म तो हमर 1 है छी, एंड एठी v by c is very लेस देन 1, so we can also neglect this term here. So the final conclusion हमें कौन पाइले कि Lorentz transformation equation it will reduce us to the Galilean transformation equation. जेतले हमर s prime frame टा with respect to this s frame, ये जदि कौन होची ना v velocity जाउची, and this v velocity is very less than c, so in that case हमर Lorentz transformation equation can be reduced to the Galilean transformation. And आ गोटे conclusion कौन ना, v केबे हेले भी एमती कोनोसी ऑब्जेक्ट रहबनी जे कि लाइट वेलोसिटी रो अधिक वेलोसिटी रे जाई परिबो. Okay, so these are the two conclusions from the Lorentz transformation equation. So this is all for today. Thank you all.